I'm Juwin, your reservation agent at Diamond Hotel, Manila, Philippines. My roles as a reservation agent is taking reservation, handling inquiries, processing bookings, and confirming details like dates, room types, guest information, special requests, managing availability, checking room availability, managing inventory and updating systems, processing payments, handling payments, issuing invoices, and managing refunds. Customer service, answering questions, resolving issues, and providing information about the property and services. Communications, emailing, calling, texting with guest confirm bookings, answers questions. Now, a reservation agent is similar to concierge, but their duties are limited to making reservation for guests. However, as a front of house operatives, reservation agents should also be willing to assist guests with other queries. Welcome to Diamond Hotel, an exquisite 5-star hotel located in the heart of Manila, Philippines. With its prime location, impeccable service, and luxurious amenities, this hotel promises a truly unforgettable stay, offering a total of 482 beautifully appointed rooms. Diamond Hotels provided a haven of comfort and tranquility for both business and leisure travelers. As you step in the grand lobby of Diamond Hotel, you will be greeted by the elegant ambience and impeccable attention to detail. Now, let's move on to the brief history of Diamond Hotel. The hotel was built in 1993 and has since become an iconic landmark in Manila, known for its timeless beauty and world-class hospitality. Whether you are visiting for business or pleasure, Diamond Hotel offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and sophistication. Affiliations. Diamond Hotel Philippines is affiliated with the World Hotels Collection, a global network of independent hotels and resorts. The World Hotels Collection, Diamond Hotel Philippines may also have other partnerships or affiliations with organizations related to the hospitality industry. Diamond Hotel, located only 25 minutes away from the airport, Diamond Hotel offers convenience for travelers, making it an ideal choice for those arriving or departing from Manila. The hotel's proximity to the city center, just 9 kilometers away, allow guests to easily explore the vibrant attractions and cultural landmarks that Manila has to offer. Here is the room types and room rates of Diamond Hotel. First is Deluxe Twin Non-Smoking with 2 twin-size bed. About this room, 2 twin beds, sleep for 4 persons, wireless internet connection, air conditioning, non-smoking, safe desk and minibar, with the rates of 12,100. Next is Deluxe King Non-Smoking, with the rates of 12,103 pesos per night. Is Deluxe King Smoking, with the rates of 12,720 pesos per night. Is Deluxe Twin Smoking, with the rates of 12,720 pesos per night. Next, Deluxe Regency Non-Smoking, with the rates of 13,214 pesos per night. Premier King, with the rates of 14,079 pesos per night. Next, Premier Twin, with the rates of 14,079 pesos per night. Club King, 15,931 pesos. Premier Regency, 14,822 pesos. Executive Suite, 17,907 pesos per night. Club Twin, 15,931 pesos per night. Next one is Premier King Pool View, with the facilities and amenities of Diamond Hotel, Manila, Philippines. Head club and spa, swimming pool and whirlpool, events lounge, and many more. Now let's go to the packages. Diamond Hotel Celebration Event Packages. Celebrate your memorable events at Diamond Hotel and get 30,000 pesos per off. Services, accommodations, dining, meetings and events, facilities and amenities, promotions, news, guest reviews, Manila activities, contact and online